911, what is your emergency?
Hello, and there's this weird customer. He just walked in the back where we are working.
What is he doing back there?
I'm sorry?
What is he doing?
He just walks back here like if he works here with us, but it's just like a random homeless person.
And I know he walked back there, but is he doing anything?
I mean, he didn't want to get out. He said that he was seeing stuff and he was hearing stuff. I don't know. He kind of just keeps us out.
Okay, give me the address.
Is he still there? Or is he gone?
He's still there. We're trying to like go to the front counter, but he keeps screaming at us. So
does he look like he's intoxicated, or does he look like he has mental health?
Maybe he's like high or something.
Hey, sir, I don't want to dispatch now he's saying that like I tried to.
And he took one of our phones from the restaurant.
Hey, what's up, big dog? No, you're okay. Just give your hands out of your pockets. Come here. Dude, come here.
Bro.
Stop.
I'm telling you slowly, bro. Chill.
Hey.
Chill.
Hey.
Oh, hey, chill.
Relax. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I said chill. On the ground, bro. Relax. Chill.
Hey.
Oh.
Hey. 1033, give me the patch.
1033 on the patch, go.
Hey, 143 King 7, 998. 998. Hey, what's up, big dog? Oh, you're okay. Give me your hands out of your pockets. Come here. Dude, come here. Stop.
Tell you slowly, bro. Chill.
Hey.
Chill.
Hey.
Oh, hey, chill. I said. Let me
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I said chill.
Get on the ground, bro. Just relax.
Chill.
Hey.
Oh.
Hey. 1033 in the patch.